Okay, this is my last video that I'm making today because I'm tired. So there is a fight, some kind of war going on between Thabo Mbeki and Jacob Zuma. Thabo Mbeki was addressing the ANC. I don't know what he was addressing actually, but he says that Jacob Zuma is a counter-revolutionary apartheid agent behind, one, massive loss of the ANC supporting KZN, two, IFP behind the IFP thugs in Gauteng hostels who were unaliving ANC communities, three, apartheid agent thugs who are behind the 2021 July unrest. He was testing his strength, whether he will be able to undertake a coup. He was testing his strength. He did all he did with his counter-revolutionary thugs. Everything they do is well coordinated and calculated to the maximum harm to black people. I'm not going to read the whole thing because I have already posted on YouTube. Oh, this is pronounce right. I've already posted on YouTube. Please go watch the full video there. I see that the MK party has released a statement rejecting what the ANC or rejecting what Thabo Mbeki has said. The EMK, Umkhonto Military Veterans Association, has also replied rejecting that. And I just saw a post of Unomvalo as well on Facebook. I think let me read the two letters by Umkhonto versus the Veterans and the MK from Untlamulo. I'm going to shoot another video tomorrow when I have time. But now let me just read what Unomvalo is saying. Thabo Mbeki's political analysis are not only driven by an insurmountable personal hatred towards President Zuma, but are also far from lived practical realities. I guess he relies on two phenomena when making political analysis. His petty hatred towards President Zuma and theoretical literature, which he makes no effort to measure with practicality. I mean, this guy has dismally failed to analyze the July unrest scenario and the 2024 elections respectively. How on earth can you conflate the formation of the IFP with the emergence of the MK? These are two extremely different political events influenced by different political dynamics in different epochs. Even a first-year student in political science can do far more better than what Mbeki has done. He thinks we all suffer from amnesia. History will always remember him as a bitter old man who was writing letters every Monday when President Zuma was the president, criticizing the ANC. President Zuma has successfully done what he attempted to do with no success. It's jealousy of peers. Give him his pie, please. We have been scammed by poetic speeches articulated in oppressor's accent. Obviously criticizing what Thabo Mbeki is saying about Zuma. And Thabo Mbeki, Zuma, the counter-revolutionaries, agents of apartheid in Tonton. So, baphamele batheru ke ngo. But someone in the comments, isn't that the same hate that Zuma has for President Ramaphosa? Yeah, but anyway, let me leave it here for now. I think just to get the gist of the story, go to my YouTube channel. You are going to find a video there with the clip of Thabo Mbeki. More details I think I'm going to post tomorrow. Let me just rest now. I've done my part. Dini update le bethu. Ubani ko updated ungaba nifuna uqobo lwami ke ngoku.